Okay. You got a close-up of my stones. I wanted you to see all my hearts and my stars and all my other things that I'm making here. But we're going to go back to carving. Remember, we were working on this stone. Actually, I had to mark it up a little more. Can you see this? All the permanent marker marks. This all has to be cleaned up because it's not smooth and it's not even. So today we're going to make it smooth, and we're going to go on to one more step after that to start finishing up the stone. Oh, I got goggles. Look at this. I love them. They're so nice. They go right over your glasses like this. Oh, let me get them on. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. See? Okay. I just wanted to show you one more thing before we start rolling. I'm working on this stone right now. It's going to be very intricate. I'm having so much fun. The whole thing will be all carved like this that you see up here, something like that. It's not finished, of course. But this was a tough stone to get through. I worked so hard. I've been carving and carving this now for days. Okay, let's go. Now remember, you have your water. I have the diamond head disc on my drill. So here we go. Remember, oops, my thumb came off. Oh, see my duct tape? It's all over the place. Cut everything. That would have been my fingers if I'm not careful. So let's go. So dip in the water, okay? And let's start drilling. Here we go. I'm going to get all these black marks off. I really hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to come as close as possible. Now I'm going to get dust all over my finished stuff. See? Can you see this? I hope you can see this. I got to figure this out with this camera, you know? So I'm going in here and I'm smoothing now with the flat side of the diamond disc. See that? Look how nice. Right? And I'm removing the black marker. That's my guide. So I want to smooth this out as much as I can so I don't have any ridges. You don't want ridges all over your stones. It doesn't look very nice. And believe me, when you polish them up, it shows. Oh, I got something else. I got something. The other day I went to the store and I picked up spray polyurethane. Love it. For glossing, I got high gloss. And it works really well. Fast drying, high gloss polyurethane spray. Oh, what a pleasure. The other stuff that I was using, I got rid of. Well, I didn't get rid of it. I saved it. So, just keep on. I'm going to come closer because this, I want you to see. See? Just finalizing this side, and then I have to do the other side. Some of you may even be ahead of me on this stone. I don't know. Oh, listen. Please like and subscribe. Also, if you'd like to send me a message, send me a message. I'll answer that. Or, if you'd like to see something in particular, I'd be more than happy to show you. See how nice now? It's much better. But I still see some ridges, which I need to get out. And now I'm going to go on to the other side. Now this side, let's see. Let's look at the stone. Here's the stone. See? I hope you can see this. I really do. Now, I want to get this off, so I'm just going to make a couple of slits here, which makes it easier to get. If you have a big chunk off, you just go like this, see? Also, it depends upon your stone. Is it soft? Is it hard? What are you working with? This one here is like a medium hardness, not too bad. So I'm going to smooth this all out like this, and I'm hoping that we could get to the next step. But I don't know. I don't want the video to be too long. I hope you can see this. Can you see this? I'm going to try to zoom in that camera on my work as I'm working. Let's see. Is there anyone here that could zoom my camera in for me? I would appreciate that. So they can see the work I'm working on. Well, I don't think anyone heard me. So, let's just keep going. And just every piece you see that you don't like, get rid of it. Shape it, make it smooth. Try to make it as even. Oops. Sometimes, I don't know. Try to make it as even as you possibly can. See? Oh, by the way, I made the barrette in my hair. I make barrettes as well. I have so much fun with those. Now see, how's it looking? What do you think? See? Oh, I hope you can see this. Alright. I see a few more spots. Then we're going to go on to the next step. I'm going to change the bit. I'm going to show you what we need to do. Is anyone around that could zoom in on this for me? On my cutting? Okay, well, I think you got the idea. Let me shut this off. What I'm going to do is, I can't finish this today, so I just want to show you the next bit I'm going to use, which is also a diamond head, and it's flat. See that? And then, after I'm finished shaping this stone, okay, I'm going to start smoothing it out with this diamond head, okay? And that'll be next time. I'll see you soon. Like and subscribe.